Namaste and welcome to Lahari's classes. Welcome back to Indian Polity Article-by-Article Series. In the previous lectures, we have discussed till part 4, that is till Directive Principles of State Policy. In this lecture, we are going to understand fundamental duties which are included in Article 51A, which come under Part 4A. So let's understand. So what is the need for having fundamental duties is, our country has given us so many rights in the form of fundamental rights, and also protected us to ensure socio-economic and political justice through DPSPs. So now it is our duty to do something for our country. So that is the reason why we have got these fundamental duties. Originally in the constitution we didn't have any fundamental duty, but through 42nd Amendment Act 1976, based on the recommendations of Swaran Singh committee, fundamental duties were added into the constitution. Remember this committee's name, that is Swaran Singh committee. The fundamental duties are inspired by the constitution of USSR, that is present day Russia. So fundamental duties are inserted in part 4A as we have seen earlier. So there are 11 fundamental duties of Indian citizens. The purpose is, as we have discussed, it reminds the citizens that rights come with responsibilities, and the duties promote discipline, unity and patriotism towards our country. It helps to achieve the national integration, and the fundamental duties preserve democratic values. So let us go through each fundamental duty. First one is to respect the constitution, flag and national anthem. First one is to respect the constitution, flag and national anthem. Second duty is to cherish ideals of the freedom struggle. To cherish the ideals of the freedom struggle. And third is to uphold sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. To uphold sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Fourth one is to defend the country and render national service whenever it is called upon. Fifth one is to promote harmony and brotherhood. Sixth one is to value and preserve heritage of our culture. Seventh is to protect and improve the natural environment of our country. Eighth one is to develop scientific temper and humanism. Ninth one is to safeguard public property and abjure violence. 10th one is to strive for excellence. 11th one is actually added by 86th Amendment Act in 2002, that is to provide education to children aged between 6 to 14 years. It is our fundamental duty, and the duty lies on the and the duty lies on the state and parents to give their children education. Key amendments. So we have seen 42nd Amendment Act was actually through that amendment only Part 4A was introduced, and 86th Amendment Act added the 11th duty, that is duty to provide education to children between 6 to 14 years age. The another important aspect of fundamental duty is it is not enforceable by law, but the laws can support them. See, for example, we have seen to protect the national flag, to respect it and all. So under the National Honor Act 1971, the fundamental duties can be made sure that the citizens are implementing them. So this is about fundamental duties. In the next lecture we will understand part 5, that is union. So thank you so much for watching till the end. Please subscribe for more polity lessons. God bless you all. Jai Hind.